Happy Thursday. Today is a special day. We are going to my daughter's college. You ready, Mira?
Yeah.
First one, Julie. She has school today, so she couldn't make it, but we're going to be seeing her college, Niagara State University, just to take a look at the campus and the area. And then we're going to travel down south to Pennsylvania, Erie, Pennsylvania, so I can pick up my eldest daughter, who's coming out of college now for the summer. So, long ride. We got the Tesla. We're going to be charging multiple times. And we're ready to go. It's going to be an adventure. 7 hours drive one way, another 7 back. See you later. Sausage, eggs. Alright, just simple breakfast, guys. Egg, sausage, and a little bit of pancakes with some OJ. Wingate by Wyndham.
Checking out. It's good, it's not cold.
It's a little cold, but nice, clean
Very cold.
hotel. Good morning. So, started off with a good breakfast. Now we're heading to Niagara Falls area and Julie's college. So we want to go around the campus and take a look at my daughter. She's going to be going in there in September for nursing. So I want to see what's out there before we pick up Kelly in Pennsylvania. See you later.
Look, I get.
All right, we're here in Niagara Falls, and we are on the US side, and across there is Canada, as you can see, all the way out. There's a sign for Canada, and that's where you cross the border to get to Canada. There's a toll you pay for $6 right there to get to the other country. So, Niagara Falls State Park. Niagara Falls State Park. Where's the water?
Down there. But there's no waterfall here.
American Falls. You want to walk? Where's the falls? All right, we're here in the New York side, guys. And there's Canada right across. Oh, Canada. The great waterfalls of the world. There you go. Great view here. Niagara Falls Power Company. The dam, the falls is all the way to the other end. We're going to be walking there. All right, let's go over there to the American Falls.
Yeah.
Let's go to the American Falls.
Picture me.
Let's go. A lot going on there in Canada as far as attractions. You have the Skyline Casino. You have hotels. You have some nice adventure places there across the street. Niagara Falls State Park. We are here somewhere. We are here somewhere and we're going to be walking to the falls. This is where the falls is. Let's take a walk. Heading to the American Falls, half a mile away. Let's take a look. Not the best area here, guys. Some graffitis. But can't wait to get there. Dead end pathway. Niagara State Park. Here's where the water starts, right here. It works its way down to here. There's a big tree stump over there. That's where the water goes. Alright guys, we're here in Niagara Falls. As you can see, we made it here. Nice big rainbow. Canada on the other side. And what a nice view. Beautiful view. Let's see the water. Of course, Canada. Niagara Falls. Good morning.
Morning. Do you guys have the bands yet?
Fans now.
Okay. Well, when you get off at either the visitors of the cave, you got to purchase a band to get on and off the trolley.
Oh, okay. We'll do that. Thank you. I appreciate it. We're only going back to the parking
Oh, okay.
lot.
Which one?
The free one. We had to walk like a mile.
Okay.
Next time we know. Sorry.
That's okay. No problem.
Nice trolley.
All right.
Nice trolley you have.
Thank you.
Like in San Francisco.
Bell and all.
Yeah. We're here in the trolley. Special ride. Nobody else is here. And we park a million miles away. Oh, there it is. There's our car right there. It wasn't that far. There's our car now.
Right
There you
here.
go.
It's gonna go around. No, it's not. It's going.
There's our car.
No, it cannot stop here. I have to go to the.
Nice bridge. All right, we're gonna be cleaning the car to put Kelly's stuff. We're gonna be rolling back the seats, making some room in here in the back. All right, so let's get started. There you go, guys. Lots of room in there. As you can see, you can fit a lot of storage. There you go. Plenty of room. Alright guys, we're at 160 miles, which should be good enough. We're 40 miles away from Kel. We're gonna recharge later. So, ready to go. Beautiful day here in Erie, Pennsylvania.